Good evening, everyone. This is Ajit Chand Bhandari representing economicnerd.blogspot.com, and today we'll be discussing on Wipro. The title of this video is Wipro Share Technical Analysis. The date today is 26 July 2020 and the time of recording this video is 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Risk disclosure. We are not SEBI registered analysts. Views expressed here are for our record purposes only. Please consult your personal financial advisor before investing. We are not responsible for your financial gains or losses whatsoever. Technical view. We will be discussing on Wipro 45-minute, day and week charts. May even come down to 235 levels soon. The current market price is at 270.55. Looking ahead for a short swing trade. Wipro expected to be bearish. Parabolics are stochastics are giving bearish trend in 45 minutes and day time frame. 45-minute time frame chart. As you can see, we have taken 45-minute time frame chart for Wipro. In this chart, if you see, the stochastic is confirming a bullish trend. The last 45-minute candle is confirming a bearish trend. Please remember 281.80 level, which we'll be discussing shortly. In day chart, week chart, as well as in my analysis. Please even keep in mind these levels that are 266.20, 261.50, 254.70, 250, 285, 235 and 230. Day time frame chart. This is Wipro day time frame chart. If you look at the high that it has made on last week was 281.60. Parabolics are above the candle, confirm bearish trend. Stochastic is confirming bearish divergence, but the price action is confirming bullish trend. Reason being that end of day chart has closed in green. We will be discussing this even more in detail, why we are now considering Wipro as a bearish move. Week time frame chart. This is weekly swing that we have taken into account. So we have taken Fibo levels of this past swing. If you are looking at the high on the weekly chart, it was 281.60. So we had placed a resistance level at 281.80, 20 paise above the high. And the close was at 270.55. If you are looking at the weekly swing, the 78.6 level, which is even known as trend termination point, was at 271.30. Even though it made a high of 281.60, it closed below that trend termination point of 271.30 and has closed at 270.55. Parabolics are on weekly time frame is still confirming a bullish trend, and stochastics is confirming bearish divergence. But it isn't yet confirming a bearish trend. You can even say that it is in an overbought zone, not a bearish divergence, frankly speaking. Now, let us do detailed analysis on Wipro. Instrument is Wipro. Main analysis was done on day and week. For confirmation, we had come back to 45 minutes time frame chart. Indicators that we have used is parabolic SAR, which is confirming bearish. Stochastics has confirmed bearish divergence. And so suggested trend is bearish. It is on day time frame. Wipro may be positive tomorrow, may touch 272 to 73 levels. This is as per price action. On day price action, it is bullish. So it is available even on weekly also. It is giving a target of 281, which was near our high resistance point of the weekly. But if we are now coming to your charts, they speak totally a different language. As you are aware, 271.30 was 78.6% of that weekly swing, which is trend termination point, and it got rejected and has closed at 270.55 after making a high of 281.60. Another reason why we are looking at a bearish trend is on quarterly levels, there is a level of 268.60, which is very much near our close price, which if broken, we may see 235 to 230 levels. But I am expecting that once Wipro closes below 267, the descent may be very slow. Benefits of subscribing and pressing the bell notification button. Hope you have liked this video. If so, please share and comment. If you are new to the video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. The reason why I am asking you to do this is I am a quality based analyst. I don't prefer giving quantity calls. So my videos will be very less compared to other channels. If you like this video, maybe if you hit the, you may get notification the moment we upload them on YouTube. Thank you.